Hi. The most common job we do on the Higher Ground Church website is to update the sermons on a weekly basis. We record the sermons with a program called Audacity, turning them into MP3s, and then we load them onto an application called Preach It. It's a component of the Joomla website that we use at Higher Ground. So today I'm going to show you how to update a sermon. So first of all, we're going to go to our browser. I'm going to open it up. We're going to type in highergroundchurch.org/administrator, administrator. We're going to put in our user ID, our password, okay. We're going to go to the components, and here's our Preach It component. Click on that. We're going to go to Messages. This is going to be a new message. So we're going to click New. We need to put in a name, and this is the sermon title. Our sermon title is A Call to Zeal for the House of the Lord. Okay, we need to have this title before we can save the sermon. So we save it here. Now we want to make this audio accessible, so we're going to say yes on this radio button. We're going to click yes on this radio button for download audio, which means they're going to be able to download the audio. Go back to message details. The date of this sermon was 2014, 12. Actually, let me just go right here. It was December 2014. It was the 28th. It was 11 in the morning. Okay, description. Pastor Dempsey. Pastor Dempsey preaches from the minor prophet Haggai. We're going to select a Bible reference. That's Haggai, chapter 1, verse 1, chapter 1, verse 15. He's preaching on the full first chapter of Haggai. Here, we're going to come down here and select our preacher. We're going to select our series. And if you need to put in a new teacher, you just click on this button and type a new teacher in. You can also add a new series by clicking Add New. Our ministry, of course, is Higher Ground Church. For tags here, you're going to put descriptive words so that someone searching the sermons might be able to find the sermon easier. Zeal is one word we're going to add this time. And service. Christian service. Okay, this is where we're going to go after our sermon now. So to upload the sermon, we have to designate an upload folder, which is audio. The media is audio. And now a little browse button will open for us. This button will not appear until we have these two items put in. We click browse, which allows us to go to our computer and we can go after the MP3 that we and this one is still in last year's, there it is. We select the sermon, the MP3, then we click open, and it'll begin the uploading process. It takes a few minutes, depending on how fast your internet connection speed is, but it's not that bad. It's a chance for you to go get a cup of coffee or something. All right, our sermon is uploaded. We can click Save and Close. Now, let's go to the sermon page of our website. There it is. There's our sermon. To listen to it, we're going to give it a real quick listen. We can see our details. Here's what we wrote in the details. Our tags right here, Zeal Christian Service. And now we're going to give it a real quick listen. Click on this button.
Praise the Lord. Let's look at our Bibles this morning in the Old Testament book, Minor Prophet.
It's working. So that's how you upload a sermon to the Higher Ground Church website.